GFI 3x3 videos. 3 tips in 3 minutes.
In this GFI 3x3 video, I'll show how to send fax blasts with GFI FaxMaker by first creating a list of contacts in Microsoft Excel, then using Microsoft Word for the mail merge, and then finally using Microsoft Outlook to verify the fax transmission. We'll begin by opening Microsoft Excel and taking a look at our list of fax contacts. Now, notice here that there's columns specifying the fax number, name, company, and invoice. You could have whatever columns you want, and as many recipients as you want listed within the contact sheet. So now open up Microsoft Word and begin composing our fax document. So the first step is to go over to the Mailings tab and start a mail merge, in this case a letter. We then want to select our recipients using an existing list, and we'll point to that Excel spreadsheet that we were just looking at a moment ago. And you want to make sure here that that checkbox is selected, that the first row contains the headings for the columns. Now we're going to insert a simple table, and we'll just build a simple little fax document here. So we'll enter in fax : followed by the fax number. That's the field that the NetPrint Q2Fax printer in GFI FaxMaker is going to use to identify the fax number to send the fax out to. So we'll enter in a few other fields here, and then also at the bottom we want to enter in the special characters there, the @ symbol followed by the # to indicate that that's the end of the page. We'll then use the preview results option. As we scroll through, you can see that Word automatically pulls the various contacts from the Excel spreadsheet. And then finally we'll choose to finish and print the merge to the GFI NetPrint Q2Fax printer, the network printer located on the fax server. So we'll now move over to the GFI FaxMaker server and take a look at the FaxMaker monitor, where you can see the faxes sending. And if we switch over to queued faxes, you can see that the other faxes are sitting in a queue waiting to go out. And so these faxes will be sent as lines become available, and you can see in this case we have 4 lines. So it'll take us a few minutes to get through them, but eventually all the faxes will go out properly. And if we switch back to the client side and open up Microsoft Outlook, we can see here that GFI FaxMaker automatically returned transmission reports on all 10 of the faxes back to the sending user. And if we open up the attachment, which could be either in TIFF or PDF format, we can see here that we do have a copy of the fax that went out, and you can see that it merged the correct data. To review, we first used Microsoft Excel to create a list of contacts. We then used Microsoft Word to send out the mail merge and to merge the contacts into our document. And finally, we verified the fax transmission with Microsoft Outlook. For more information on sending out fax blasts with GFI FaxMaker, please visit the GFI website.
GFI 3x3 videos. 3 tips in 3 minutes.